Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss the most important regulatory system of human body, that is Renin Angiotensin Aldosterone System, also known as Raas. This system is very important for maintaining blood pressure, blood volume and fluid electrolytes balance in the body. Raas is activated in response to various triggers which includes low blood pressure, low blood volume, low sodium concentration and decreased perfusion to the kidneys. In response to these triggers, certain cells in the kidneys known as juxtaglomerular cells release an enzyme known as renin. This enzyme acts on the protein angiotensinogen, which is produced by the liver, and converts this angiotensinogen into the angiotensin 1. Angiotensin 1 is inactive and has no biological functions. Angiotensin converting enzyme, which is released from the lungs, converts this angiotensin 1 into the angiotensin 2. Angiotensin 2 is very important molecule in the Raas physiology. It performs various actions which includes constriction of the blood vessels, which ultimately leads into the increased blood pressure. Angiotensin 2 also stimulates the adrenal cortex to release aldosterone hormone, which acts on the distal convoluted tubules and collecting ducts to increase reabsorption of water and sodium. It also helps in the excretion of potassium. In this way, more sodium and water retained ultimately leads to increased blood volume and blood pressure. Angiotensin 2 also stimulates the posterior pituitary gland to release antidiuretic hormone. This hormone acts on the distal convoluted tubules and collecting ducts to increase reabsorption of water. So, in this way, more water is retained, ultimately leads to increased blood volume and blood pressure. So, final results of this Raas physiology are increased blood pressure, increased blood volume, and restoration of homeostasis. If we talk about the clinical significance of this system, then RAS is directly involved in the pathology of hypertension, heart failure, shock, and chronic kidney diseases. As this system leads to increased blood pressure, so various drugs target this system to lower blood pressure, which includes angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors, angiotensin receptor blockers, and aldosterone antagonist. These drugs are used in hypertension and heart failure. So, renin angiotensin aldosterone system is basically body's emergency system to save circulation. So, whenever blood pressure falls, RAS activates to constrict vessels, retain sodium and water, and to increase blood pressure. If you found my video helpful, then kindly subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you for watching.